Hey, this is John Mark Gordon presenting to you the interactive Gundam Lights and Sound by Thinkway. So they have the base. This one is for Saku. Is it Saku or Zaku? Anyway, this is the RX-78-2 that I painted as Voltus 5. So since I don't have the base for Voltus 5 or RX-78-2, is that how you say it? I'll just hold them and press the button. Okay, here we go. Let's see.
Where's Char? Where's Char? I really don't like the thought of turning my back on Char at all. This time, I'll make it a move for move. And I've got some new ones for you.
They say different words or phrases, but that's it. That's what they how that's how they do it, or that's how they act or interact. I guess with the bases, with these bases here, they will interact better, but I don't have them, so there you have it. Once again, this is John Mark Gordon. Please subscribe, like the video, and also press the bell icon so that you'll get notifications when I have new videos that I have uploaded. Thanks.